Here is another feature of your Android phone that you may or may not be aware of, but it's very useful to know. One of them is live transcribe. So let's go and see how to activate live transcribe and what do we use live transcribe for. So we go to our settings. When you go to your settings, then look for accessibility. So you can see it here with this little green human being. From accessibility, now you go on to hearing enhancement. You click on that. So from hearing enhancement, you look for live transcribe. So you click on that. Then that will bring you to this. Now I'm just going to toggle this feature on here. Now that I have toggled this feature on, this feature, this little human being in a circle, is going to appear on my home screen, home tab. Here, now I'm going to say got it. Now I've clicked it on. Now let's go back to the home button. Now you can see here, the little human being has appeared here. Now it is activated on this Galaxy phone. What do we use it for? Now if I click on this and leave my phone, any sound that goes by, the phone is going to record that sound. Even if it is you are spilling water, it will record it as spilling water. If you are playing music, it will record it as playing music. If you are speaking, as I am doing right now, it is going to transcribe the exact words that I am talking about. Now let's give this a go. I'm going to click this. Now this is a YouTube video talking about how to activate live transcribe. Most of us don't know that this feature exists on our Android phones. Right, now you can see it is transcribing everything that I am saying. Whatever I am saying, my phone is transcribing it. So are you still transcribing what I am talking about? Good. So this is it. So even if you put your phone away, somebody comes stand next to your phone and then they're talking about you or talking about anyone else, your phone is going to be transcribing whatever is being said. And then I don't have any music next to me here, but if you go next to a tab and you open the tab, it will say water spilling or water oozing. So it is very, I would not say perfect, but it's like human, we make typing errors. Other than that, everything is fine. You can now copy this, you can print it out, you can save it, you can send it as an email as well.